Balaho yung aming sasakyan, Ford Ranger, no? Dito sa may Talaytay, Kulasi pala ng Isabela. Problema, kung kaya bang itulak pa to. Kasi parang lumubog na yung gulong. Sus! Tumo! Ay putik. Ranger agad sa kababata ko. Grabe, ginawa sa sasakyan niya. Pinasok dito bago pang gawa eh. Ayan oh.
Bisikleta lang nun.
Bisikleta lang nun. Angkas-angkas pa ako yan. Oh my God. Paano na? Ang hirap pala ng ano? Off-road. Ay nako, hanggang doon pa. Ang problema ito. Itong isa pang to. Kasi pagdating dito, babaw na naman yung gulong. Iwan muna namin. Kukuha kami pala. Wala, hindi kaya eh. Eh may ari. Tawa-tawa ka pa dyan.
Makasakirala ka mamasara. Yung pinay.
Alright guys, so almost 2 hours kaming nagtanggal nitong pick up. Oh, grabe. Grabe dinaanan niya. Oh. Hindi pa kasi talaga pwedeng daanan to. Pero tinry namin tong Ranger ni Boss Ronnie Alvarez, no. Grabe. Dapat ididiretso namin sa bahay kaso di na kaya. Hindi nakakayanin. Sobrang ito nyo naman, di ba? Oh. Dumi. Grabe. Muntik na yung motor. Muntik na yung motor. Ito. Rumampa eh. Tanggal yung mga ano ba tawag dito? Sa ganito. Tanggal. Ang dumi. Ang masasabi mo? Experience, Lodi. Experience.
Extreme off-road.
Ito kasi problem mo. Yung gulong niya all terrain, hindi pang off-road. Kaya medyo nahirapan. Ayan, 4x4 na Ford Ranger. Tinanggal na namin yung design niya dito para hindi mabasag.
You've almost made it out. You did the really hard thing. You swear it broke you down, but I see a different ending. 'Cause you're driving in his car His hand is on your knee. He's looking at you now, wondering what you're wondering. And you're staring at the turquoise sky, asking, what do you have there for me? Your daddy always knows. Your mama always loves you. And so the story goes, just like they always told you. But you're driving in your car, 'cause you wanna be alone. And you're singing some song like a song's gonna save you. And you're looking at the purple sky, thinking maybe I'll just keep driving. Maybe you'll just keep driving. Go, 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 or you'll never know. It's nothing like you thought. Everything is different. Everyone is new. You're gonna hate it, but you're gonna love it too.
Off-road. Pagkatapos ng off-road, yan na, linis na. Grabe, meron pa siyang sariling ano. Sobrang dumi kasi nito kanina.